क्लास 6 का सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स का चैप्टर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.3 लेके आया हूँ, है ना। आर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज आर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, एस्टिमेट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूजिंग जनरल रूल। एस्टिमेट each of the following, each of the following, estimate each of the following using general rule, using general rule. Okay, so what is our rule is, part A is 730 plus 998. Here we are seeing the sum is, first one is 730 to 998. Second one, part B is 796 minus 314. Part C is 12,904 plus 2,888. Okay, our part D is 28,292 minus 21,496. Okay, now what is estimate each of the following using general rule। मैं जनरल रूल का यूज करके इनको सभी को हमें एस्टिमेट करना है। ओके,
so this is our 730 plus 998. Our first part is, or our first one is, first question number first, part A is 730 plus 998. So here we are seeing, if we will estimate it, then we will take a value which is 700. Actually this is 730, but we will not say it 730 for some instance or for some time. We will only call it, or we will only tell it as 700, and after that this one as 900. So 700 plus 900 is, what is 700 plus 900? 700 plus 900 is 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9 is 16, hence 700 plus 900 is 1600, and after that 30 should be added with 98. So what we will get is, when 98 is added by 30, then first we will add 90 with 30. So when we will add 90 with 30, then we will get 120, and after that 8 is also in addition. So finally what we will get, 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 6 is 7. This is our answer, which is 1728. 1728. Okay, so here we are seeing this is equals to 1728. If we have if we had calculated it directly or added it directly, then what we have got, I am just recapping this question. 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 3 is 12, which is 2, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17. This is 1728 is our answer. Okay, now our part B is, what is our part B? First we have to subtract, actually we have to estimate, that is why I am just subtracting 300 from 700, which is equals to 400. I am writing this over here. When we will subtract 300 from 700, what we will get is 400 plus After that we will subtract 14 from 96, then what we will get is 20 and what is 28, 82. What we will get is 82. Now our answer is 482, or 482 is our answer. Okay, so after this we will go for our part C. Our part C is, what is our part C? This is 2000 and this is 12,000. Okay, when we will add these two, then what we will get is 14,000. What we will get is 14,000. This is equals to 14,000. 2000 plus 12,000, 14,000. Now we will add these two. 900 plus 800 is what? 1700. This is 1700. After that 4 plus 88 is 92. This is 92. And after one more addition we will get 2, 9, this is 7, this is 4 plus 1 is 5, 1. 15,792 is our answer. Okay, so we will move towards our part D, which is, what is our part D? Our part D is, part D is 28,292 minus 21,496. So first we will subtract 21 from 28. What we will get is 700. Okay, after that we will subtract 496 from 200, but here we are not able, because 292 is less than 496. So we will only take 27 here. So we will subtract 21 from 27, because 1 is carried for the other 3 digits. Okay, so we will, here we are taking this as 27. 21 minus 27 is what? 600. 27 minus 21 is 6, and here I am just 21,000. I am taking 28,000 minus 27,000 minus 21,000, which is equals to 6,000. Now this is, if we will carry 1, then this will be our 1292, and this is 496. Then what we will get? 800. If 400 is subtracted from 1200, then what we will get? 800. But here we are seeing 92 and here 96. So I am just going to write this. This is our 1292 and minus 496, which is equals to, listen, this is 12, 12 minus 6 is 6, this is 8, 8 will be 18, 18 minus 9 is 9, and this is 11, 11 minus 4 is what? 7, this is 796, 796. So this is equals to 6976. Okay, this is our answer. If we have subtracted directly, then what we will get? I am just giving you an example. This is 21,496. Just subtract it. This is 12, 12 minus 6 is 6. This is 8, 8, 8. This is 8, and will be 18, 18 minus 9 is 9. After that, this is what? This is 11, 11 minus 4 is 7. This is what? This is 7, 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is 0. So we are getting the same answer by estimation and by direct method. Okay, so let us go towards our question number next, which is, let us move towards our question number next, which is question number second. हाँ जी, देखेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट. आर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच इज, Our next question number is question number second, which is give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds. Give a rough estimate. Give a rough estimate. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds. By rounding off to nearest hundred. By rounding off to nearest hundred. Hundreds. By rounding off to nearest hundreds, and also a closer estimate. And also a closer estimate. And also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. By rounding off to nearest tens. By rounding off to nearest tens. Our first one is question number second, part A is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. This is our part A. Our part B is, what is our part B? 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Part C is, what is part C? 8,325 minus 491. Okay. Our part D is, what is our part D? 4,89,348 minus 48,365. 48,365. Make 4 more such examples. Make 4 more such examples. Make 4 more such examples. Okay. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds. Okay, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So listen, this is 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 4. First we will add this. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 8 plus 3 is 11. So the closer up to hundreds are 1100. This is equals to 1100. Now closer tens are, what is listen, this is 4300. So what will be our 43 plus 3, 43 plus 4 is 43 plus 4 is 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. This is 5000 or 5000. Okay. Now this is 39, this is 34, and this is 17. So what is nearest tens is 34 plus 17, 34 plus 39. 34 plus 39 is what? 3 plus 3. 30 plus 30 is 60, and 4 plus 9 is 13. 60 plus 13 is what? 73. 60 plus 13 is 73. 73 plus 17. 73 plus 7 is 80. 80 plus 10 is 90. So this is 90. Now this is 90. Okay, so first here we are seeing this is 1500, 50 closer hundreds. Okay, we are given y rounding off to nearest hundred. So the nearest hundred is 50,000 and nearest 10 is 90. Okay, nearest 10 is 90. Okay, and after adding these two, what we will get is, and after adding these two, what we will get is 5090. Our first answer is 5000 and second answer is 5090. First answer is 5000 and our second answer is 5090. Okay, look at this. This is our 47,500 and this is our 1,08,007. When we will subtract them, then what we will get is, listen, actually this is 475 and this is 1. If we will count from here only, this is 475 and this is what? This is our ones, tens, hundred thousand. This is 1087. Now if we will subtract 1087, if we will subtract 475 from 1087, then what we will get? 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 7 is 1, 10 minus 4 is 6. This is our 612. So our 612 hundreds, we are given 612 hundreds. Okay, and after subtracting from 34, 99 will not be subtracted from 34, then we will take it as this one. And what is our next one? Our next one will be, listen, when we will subtract them fully, 108,734 minus 47,599, then what we will get is 14 minus 9 is 5. Now this is 2, 12 minus 9 is 3, this is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, this is 8, 8 minus 7 1, this is 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, 61,000. Nearest tens is 35. Okay, this is answer. Now next one is this one, which is our part C is 8,325 minus 491. So if we will see, this is our 8,300 and this is 400, then our nearest 100 is 7,900. Okay, because when 4 is subtracted from 83, we will get 79. When 1 is subtracted from 25, we will get 24. So this is 79 to 4. Okay, if we will add this, then we will get this. This is 5, this is 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Actually here we are seeing this should be 7,800. Okay, so this is 7,800. Now when we will subtract, what we will get on subtraction? 83 to 5, 491. This is our 4, this is 12, 12 minus 9 is 12 minus 9 is 13. And now this is 2, 12, 12 minus 4 is 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay, this is 8 and this is 7. So our answer will be 7,834. Okay, our part D is what? Our part D is this one. In our part D we are given 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Now here we are seeing, when we will subtract them, then what we will get? This is 4,89,348, this is 48,365. So what we will get is 4 lakh. Listen, when 48 subtracted from 89, but this number is less than this, so we will take only 88, not 89. So when we will subtract 48 from 488, then what we will get? 0, 4 and 4. This is nearest hundreds or thousands. Okay, and now after that when we will subtract completely, then what we will get? 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 6, 14 minus 6 is 8, 12 minus 3 is 9, and 8 minus 8 is 0, and after this what we will get is 44. This is our answer. Okay, okay, when we will subtract, then we will get this one, because 9 is here, then 9 will also be here, because we are not calculating estimation for lakhs or thousand, we are calculating estimation for hundreds, so 900 will come over here. Okay, after that we will move towards our question number 3rd, which is our part number 3rd is, what is our part number 3rd? Our 3rd part is estimate the following products using general rule. Estimate the following product. Estimate the following product using general rule. Okay, our part A is 578 multiplied with 161. Our part B is 5281 multiplied with 3491. Part C is 1291 multiplied with 592. Our part D is, what is our part D? Part D is 9250 multiplied with what? 29. Okay, make 4 more. Okay, we have to make 4 more examples in question number 2nd also. So I am first making 4 more examples for question number 2nd. After that I will make 4 more examples for question number 3rd. Listen, this is our question number 2nd was, we have to make some additions. Okay, so I am giving you some homework type 4 examples. 1, 2, 3 and 4th. Okay, first one, second one, third one and fourth one. Our first one is, I am just writing some examples, you should look at them. 529 plus 1274 plus 2400, 3, 4, 2, 5 plus, okay, this is enough. 529 90 plus 1002 plus 102 plus 1 plus 0 plus 101. Okay, after that 1002 plus 10003 plus 1 4 times 0 4. Okay, now last one is 4 times 1 plus 3 times 1. Okay, so now you have to estimate these 4. Just write down, and this is homework for you all. Okay, actually answers can vary from book के आंसर से हो सकता है आपका आंसर बाई चांस मैच ना करे, क्योंकि ये एस्टिमेशन है ना. बेस्ट तो मैच करेगा, लेकिन 1% ऐसा या 0.1% ऐसे हो सकते हैं प्रॉब्लम्स जिनमें कि बुक से मैच ना करें, क्योंकि एस्टिमेशन है ना, ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट आंसर तो है नहीं, एस्टिमेशन है, स्क्वायर ऑफ किया जाएगा इसमें, ठीक। तो अपने देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वन इज part A. This is R 578 and this is 161, and if we will see then 5 बन जा 5, and here we are getting 4 digits, 4 other digits. Okay, our first part is for estimating we will write it as 500 plus 578 can be written as 500 plus 78, and 616 can be written as 100 plus 61. Okay, and further now if we will multiply, then what we will get is, we will first multiply 500 by 100, then what we will get is 500 is this one, and what we will get is 500 into 100 plus 5, when 500 is multiplied with 61, then what we will get is 500 into 61, and after that when 7800 is multiplied, 78 is multiplied with 100, then what we will get is 7800 plus, when 78 is multiplied with 61, then what we will get is 78 into 61. In our estimation we will leave this, okay, we will estimate up to here only. This is equals to 5 times 1, 5 1 ja 5, and 4 times 0, plus this is equals to this is what 0 0, 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30, plus this is 7800 because I have already multiplied, and this will be some digit, okay, which will go up to which number? Listen, this will go up to 7 6 ja 42, so this, it will give us some 42 and 00, okay, because I am just rounding off. Okay, so here what we will get is, okay, so here what we will get is, after adding these all, what will come is our answer. Okay, so the 3 zeros are here, 3 numbers are here, and these 3 numbers are, okay. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, again 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 0 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12 again, and here this is 12, so it will give us some 2. After that 1 is remained, 1 will be added with, listen, I am, for making you more clear, I am writing this over here like as 4 zeros, this is 3 0, this is 3 0 5 00, this is again 7 8 00, and in the end this is 4 2 00, this is 0, this is again 0, 10 15 5, 1 carry, this is 8 8 for the 12, 1 carry, this is 9, 92,500. Okay, this is equals to 92,500, and here after all, after approximation, we are getting 92,500. Okay, this should be our answer. I hope you all got it. Next one is part B. So what is our part B? Our part B is 5281 multiplied with 3491. In this much big, in this much big part, if we will go for estimation, then we have to multiply 52 with 34. But in this area students are not so wise, that is why I am taking some direct method. Okay, I hope you should have no problem. If you have any problem, then you can comment, no problem is there. So I am just multiplying both of them. After multiplication, what I will get is 9 1 za 1 1 za 1, 1 8 za 8, 1 2 za 2, 1 5 za 5. Multiplied with 9 1 za 9, 9 8 za 72, 2 7 carry, 9 2 za what, 18, 18 plus 7 is 18 plus 7 is 25, 5 2 carry, 9 5 za 45, 45 plus 25 is what, 70. Okay, again we will multiply 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 32 2 3 carry, 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 carry, 1, 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 23, 24, 4 2 carry, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, after adding this we will get what, 1, this is 17 7, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is what, 15, 15 5 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. After that 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 6, 1 carry, 7 8. This is our, and if we will talk about approximation, then our answer will be 186, and rest of the we will take 0 0 0 0. So our answer will be 1860000. Okay, now what is our part C? Part C is 1291 multiplied with 592. If we will go for multiplication, then what we will get is 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 1s are 2. Now we will go for multiplication with digit 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 8 is 18 plus 8 is 18 plus 8 is what, 26, 26 6 2 carry, 9 1s are 9, 9 and 2 is 11. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 1 carry, 5 banja 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so our answer is, what is our answer? Our answer is 2, this is 17 7, this is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 1 carry, 3 9, 14, 4 1 carry, this is 5 6, this is 7, and our approximation will be 760000. Okay, actually rules of approximation are different, but in this area students are not so wise, so that they will understood what is the rules of approximation. I have just tried a method that students are generally have studied in their previous classes 3rd standard, 4th standard and 5th standard. That is why this is some different. So guardians are informed to just students make comfortable with this method. I hope you all know very well, no need of this type of information. But our next problem is 9250 multiplied with 29. So this multiplication I am just leaving for you, because this is I think this is very simple, and our approximation will be, we will take our first 2 digits like this, and rest of the digits should be 0. Okay, so this is homework, and this is also an example. We have to set 4 examples, So I am just writing 4 examples. First one is 592 multiplied with 426. Second one is 1024 multiplied with 1025. Third one is 786 multiplied with 1024. Fourth one is 1002 multiplied with 1003. Okay. Next exercise we will see in our next video. Till then, bye bye.